Hey guys, it's Melissa with Web of Creativity, and this is a preview video of my newest project, which is called Library of Memories albums. And there's two albums in this cute little box. And this box right here is Graphic 45 regular book box. And inside I made two adorable albums. And I used the Graphic 45 Love Note paper collection. Just gorgeous papers. So the albums are 4 1/4 by 6 3/4. They slide right out of the box. So these are really cute 4-page albums. And then this is the cute little book box that we have this is the lid, so we just stood that straight up and attached it to the box. So it's freestanding to hold the albums. So I'm going to switch views so we can get a closer look of the inside of both of those albums. Alright, we're going to go through the mini albums. So these are 4 1/4 by 6 3/4. And I have this little popped up piece right here, the Graphic 45 new metal corners, Graphic 45 keyhole, there's chipboard piece behind it, and then there's these cute little roses. Now the roses are actually a Heartfelt Creations die, classic rose, and I used the smallest die set to make these adorable roses. So I'm going to move this aside. I do have a construction video on how to make these mini albums. They're both the same, of course. So then we have some Graphic 45 ATC tags. So it starts off with a little pocket page for both sides and a flap that opens up. Then I have another die that I used to cut out this rose section, and that's a Sizzix Thinlit die. With this cute rose, I also used part of this die as well, this corner piece, and this is called Mixed Media number 5. So let's close that. There's a tag on the side, and then another tag in the back, so that we got this pocket, and then we have this accordion piece, and then you can see where I used the corner of that other die. So all the pages are the same, and each album has 4 pages. So we got the tag, the pull-out tag. This opens up, and then that rose cutout, which I think is beautiful. So we have 2 of these, and then a construction video and tutorial for this, and all the links are listed below. And then let's go ahead and take a look at this cute little album. So again, this piece pops up just like the other one, so we have a little pop-up piece, the flowers, the corners, and then the keyhole and chipboard. So we got the pocket. And the kits come with the papers and the stickers, the tags. All the chipboard and cardstock that you need to make the album. And there's a kit video, and that is listed below. Alright, so we have a kit video and a construction video, all listed below. Ribbon closure, and then written tutorial, all on my blog, www.webofcreativity.net. And that's it. Thank you for watching.